Got to be a G to the day that I die. Got to be a G to the day that I die. Got to be a G to the day that I die. Got to be a G to the day that I die. Got to be a G. Got to be a G. Got to be a G. Got to be a G to the day that I die.
Yeah, I'm heavy in the game, like 400 pounds. The weight of my reputation float round town. In the Oaks, catch me on Whitley and Victor, holding my balls like a Dayton Dragon pitcher. Move a few blocks and I'm on Delaware, one of the hottest streets over here. I don't care. Dayton PD, fuck with me cause I'm so OG. Wanna catch me riding dirty, but I'm so clean. Oh, so mean. Clothes stay crispy clean. Gucci hat and Gucci jeans, hunting for these fiends. Holla cash and they know me, cause I hold these rocks like Kobe. 3-point play, headed your way with rocks, mind you, of 88. Back in the day, my niggas don't play. We getting money round here, ain't nothing funny round here. Them motherfuckers love me round here. Cash money,
yeah, most wanted. Yeah, got to be a G till the day that I die. 17 shots from my Glock, kiss your bye-bye, now I try. I spit so mean, a hot 16, chopping words like work, moving off the triple beam, Chevy's paint so clean, sipping on lean, got a bad bitch Janine, that'll kill a nigga dreams, yeah. The work popping up like groundhogs. Took the feds at least 2 weeks before they found y'all. Blow perk by the pound, dog. Y'all niggas is clown dogs. Got an M16 that'll bear rock all y'all. You need to set the deck, cause my flow so wet. And grab your Teflon vet, because I spit like a tech, a psycho style. Out here to murder you niggas. The boys spit like Jigga. My verse is worth 6 figures. It'll take 10 niggas and 6 triggers to try and stop me. Pussy niggas looking salty, cause my fingers so rocky. I was taught not to trust the fiend. Shootouts and drug wars. Got to build the roller cause I'm serving to the landlord. I'm getting mines and yours. Y'all should come and see the boy. Garage full of big trucks. They call me Mr. Tonka Toy. Slab the boy and bricks are hard. I only blow a cop dro out of preservative jars. Hoe ass niggas can't see me. Chevy color kiwi. Big fish in the pond, grant your wish like a genie. I go back like rewind, blow pine like high times. Niggas must be crazy if you think they stop at my grind. I'm from the land of the palm trees and body bags. LA King rocking the ice with no hockey mask, niggas. Yeah, come on. It's your boy Most Wanted. Cool Ray for the profit music and grind hard entertainment, baby. Yeah. Come fuck with me. Y'all gon' love this shit.
Another Mike Diesel.
This shit crack. My tool, niggas fools fucking with me. You might catch me on the strip in the black GT, or I can give it to you straight like an uncut key. And if you pump on my block, you gotta get it from me. Ain't got no time for that hating, and even all that bullshit. Never leave the block without packing up a full clip. I can let the two rip, test me nigga. R.I.P. for this cat, God bless this nigga. I spit balls like I got a bad taste in my mouth, and all the bitches fall in love when I step in the house. I give a shot to my niggas that be busting their guns on the block all night till the Benjamins come. And then I make enough bread to bake biscuits for the projects. And niggas can't wait to see what color Chevy I flex. I tell them niggas who's next, my rims keep chopping, and I'm the nigga on the block that them haters be watching. Yeah, come on.
Showing tops of rhyme, rocking those lines. Showing tops of rhyme, rocking those lines. Showing tops of rhyme. I'ma come through and show my wood line. Rocking those lines. Showing tops of rhyme, rocking those lines. Showing tops of rhyme, rocking those lines. Showing tops of rhyme. I'ma come through and show my wood line.
Niggas stop all that shopping, y'all can get it from me. You see that candy paint Chevy sitting on 2-3? like 1 drop the top, 2 get the riches, 3 fuck them hoes, and 4 death the snitches. Niggas don't survive cause my flow so vicious. Middle finger to the niggas that be acting like bitches. I break bread like ditches, plus guard your wishes. About 1,000 grams, nigga, cooking up in my kitchen. Niggas wanna feel them flames, so I spit out fire. On some Kanye shit, you get it straight through the wire. I said I won't stop grinding till my heart stop beating, and I keep a fat pack for them fiends that's kicking. What you know about that weight and getting that cake? And I don't fuck with pussy niggas, cause them niggas is fake. And if you fucking with the Jakes, you gon' meet your fate. I'm about to get the whip spray, vanilla milkshake.
Showing pots of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing pots of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing pots of rhyme. I'ma come through and show my whip line. Knocking those lines. Showing pots of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing pots of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing pots of rhyme. I'ma come through and show my whip line.
Niggas think they hot like me, but they not like me. Plus, they don't roll around in the drop like me. I might pop a white tee at your wifey B. Please don't hate me and my niggas a hot night spree. You better hide your bricks and keys, cause I just might be that nigga swoop in the coupe and grab your wifey. Bitch ass niggas wanna pipe me in my rolling, bitch I might be 3-time felon, man, bailing in my night, usual suspects. Tell me niggas what's next. Bitches loving me, cause most wanted got that rough sex. Bitch niggas got it complex. Whole niggas get they heads wrecked. When it comes to work, I ship it out like FedEx. Yes, like how many weak niggas must get dissed? I ought to pull out my dick and take a piss on your bitch. Man, the rap that ain't shit, bust straps that ain't shit. Like the homie Key said, man, the rap game is wicked.
Showing pots of rhyme.